Hey guys, this video is a little different. I'm in my bathroom because I want to try something new. And I actually dyed my hair the other day and it is very, very black. I kind of don't love it. I feel like it's just too strong, the color. And I just feel like it doesn't look natural. You know, like it obviously looks like if I dyed my hair like jet black. Like it looks so dark. My natural hair color is very dark, but it's not this dark. I saw this hack online that a lot of people have been doing for years. I mean, even hairstylists. I mean, I'm not a professional hairdresser or anything, but I saw this hack online and I was like, I mean, why not try it out? See how it works. It's not supposed to damage your hair. You are not using any bleach to lighten your hair. That's something that I wouldn't do. I wouldn't even do like a bleach bath, which is even better and less damaging than like bleaching your hair, but even that scares me. So I want to make sure that I'm doing something that is going to be healthy for my hair. So I saw online that you can use developer. You can use 10, 20, or 30. I just wanted to do something in the middle, so I chose 20. And baking soda. I know this sounds crazy, but if you mix these two together, apply this on your hair for 30 minutes. This is supposed to get rid of that like box hair dye color. It's not going to lighten your natural hair color. It's just gonna help get rid and fade away a little bit the box dye color. So let's try it out. I'm just gonna put all the developer in here. I'm just gonna go for it. So now I'm gonna add the baking soda. I added all these developer. As you can see, there is nothing in here, okay? So I'm gonna add the baking soda. I think about that much. We're just gonna start mixing it. It's supposed to turn into like this soapy consistency. I'm gonna show you guys what this consistency looks like. I think this is what we're gonna go with. So, why am I so nervous? See, this is why I film these things with you guys, because you guys are there with me, so I don't feel alone, you know? So even if this is a fail, I'm still gonna post it. So yeah, we're trying something new. I'm gonna apply this kind of like I do with like any hair dye, really. So I'm gonna do one side first, and then I'll do the other side. So I'm just gonna start applying this to my hair. Ah, I'm so nervous. I hope I made enough. I just want it to be a little tiny bit lighter. I'm not going for anything crazy. You can also just use your hands. I might just end up doing that because this is like a very liquidy consistency. Not super liquidy. It's definitely more like a gooey kind of soapy consistency, if that makes sense. I've seen people use dish soap as well, but I think that is for like if you have a color, like a bright color in your hair. I think that's what people use that for, just to kind of get rid of the color, like on blonde hair or bleached hair, you know? I'm definitely gonna do like a nice mask in the shower. I already have my Olaplex back there. I have the number 8, but I think I'm gonna do the number 3 today. I think today is a good day for the number 3. Ooh, I hope I did enough. I think I might have needed maybe a little bit more of the developer. I'm gonna try to like really make sure that this is enough and spread it out enough. Anyways, I'll be back once I'm done applying all of this, and then we can move on to the next step. This itches. This really itches. Ah! But anyways, guys, I just finished applying everything to my hair. I wish I would have gotten 2 of these because this was too little for all my hair. But we're gonna hope that, you know, it works still. I tried my best to apply it everywhere, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna put this on my hair, this plastic bag. I'm gonna tie this and set a timer for 30 minutes, and then I'll be back once I get out of the shower and I'll show you guys the final results. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and I feel like my hair still looks kind of dark, but it looks more like a dark brown. But I do have to dry my hair to really notice a difference. But I can definitely see the roots looking just a little tiny bit lighter. It just looks a little bit more natural now. So I'm gonna dry my hair now. I'm gonna use the new Shark Speed style. So if you guys want to see that video, I'm gonna post it right after this one. So subscribe so you don't miss that video. I have so many attachments here. I don't know which one to use. I'm just gonna try it out and see what I end up liking. But yeah guys, I'm gonna blow out my hair now and I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, I wanted to come back to the bathroom because I feel like we started this video in the bathroom, so I wanted to finish it here and have better like before and afters. But it's getting kind of dark outside. It's been raining so much. So yeah, I hope the lighting is not too bad. But wow, this definitely worked. Like, do you guys see how much lighter my hair looks? I just really like it. It just looks like a dark brown. It looks like my hair before I dyed it black. So I don't know why I dyed it black, but you live and you learn, right? So this is a nice hack. This definitely worked. I feel like next time I definitely would have used 2 of the developers and more baking soda, because I feel like by the time I got to this side, I wasn't able to use as much as I did on this side. So I don't know if it looks uneven, but if it does, I might do it again and just do it a little bit more on this side than on this side. But I don't know if I want to do that. I feel like it looks just fine like this. I will say my scalp was itching so much and burning so much when I did this. Those 30 minutes were very, very tough because oh my god, I was just like, I just wanted to scratch my head so bad. And in the shower, it also just felt like very like hard and gooey and stuff, so I had to shampoo my hair like 3 times. I used the Way Detox shampoo. I'm gonna put it right here and I'm gonna link everything down below. But I used that shampoo, and then I also used a conditioner, and then I did the mask. So yeah, I shampooed like 3 times. So yeah, definitely have a lot of patience with it. I also used a scalp scrub. I used the Array scalp scrub. Let me just show you guys. I have everything right here. So I shampooed my hair like 3 times with this Way Detox shampoo. It is very good for like getting rid of that like product buildup. So a detox shampoo is a must when you do this. Definitely get one. And then I used the scrub from Array. It's super nice and it's very gentle, but it did exfoliate my scalp very well. And my scalp is not itchy. It doesn't burn or anything right now, so I am good. But yeah, this really helped get rid of all that baking soda that was in my scalp. And then I used this Cure conditioner. I really love it. And then I used the Olaplex number 3. So I left it on my hair for about 5 minutes in the shower, and then I just rinsed it out. And yeah, this is what my hair looks like. But yeah, I really love this hack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys end up trying this out. I'm gonna link down below all the products and stuff that I used for this, even the baking soda. So yeah, check out the links down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.